Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at independent dependent events. So independent events are two or more events where the probability of the first does not affect the probability of the second. Dependent events, well, that's opposite. That's two or more events where the probability of the first or each one prior to the last one does affect the second probability. So we want to determine if each situation is independent or dependent. Explain your reasoning. Alright, so Ed picks a card. So Ed picks a card at random, puts it back, then picks another card at random. Key here is he put the first card back. So initially there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. So he has a 1 in 7 chance of picking any of these cards, right? As long as he puts the card back, he's still got a 1 in 7 chance. So since he put it back, that is independent. He did not change the probability. Alright, so here's another one. Nell picks a marble at random without putting the first marble back. She picks a second marble at random. So right now she's got 4 marbles, 2 pink, right? So initial probabilities: pink 2 and 4, orange 1 and 4, green 1 and 4. So if she doesn't put the first marble back, no matter what, if it was a pink, she's dropped her pink probability to 1 and 3. She's increased the other probabilities to 1 and 3. If it was orange, then she's increased the probability of picking pink to 2 and 3, and green has increased to 1 and 3, but orange has decreased to 0 because there's none left. So in reality, the probabilities have changed by not putting it back. That makes it dependent. So because the probabilities didn't change, and then here it's because the probabilities did change. So you have to look at it as, because the first thing happened, is that going to change the probability moving forward? Alright, so Ashley is making a beaded necklace and plans to use each bead color once. That's a key. Ashley selects a red bead and then reaches for another bead. So since she plans to use each bead color, key here is once, we're changing the probability once we pick a red one, because we don't want a red one anymore. So chances are she has one color, or each bead has a different color. So when she picks the red one, she can no longer pick red again, which means that increases the probability of every other color that she has, whatever they are. So that makes this dependent. Again, because the probabilities changed. So Bill took a coin out of his pocket and flipped it. Then he flipped it again. This one's independent, guys. Because no matter which way you look at it, I have a 1 in 2 chance of getting heads or tails every single time I flip that coin. Me continuing to flip that coin is never going to change that. Every time I flip that coin again, I have a 1 in 2 shot. Alright, so that should help you guys with this real short video. We'll see you guys in the next.